Well, there's still rap music playing in the ghetto. Never been over here before. This really sucks. Tightrope walk the railroad tracks. Yeah, tightrope. I mean, how deep is it? It's not that deep, no? Nah. 6 inches? Just fucking walk across it. I'm about to pull up my. That's what you gotta do. Take them off, dog. Can't be that far, man. It's probably a quarter mile in the water. Whatever. So I walk through it, right? Fuck it. You just gotta walk through it fast. Ooh. Funny. Yo, it's not even as deep over here. Nah, we're good. Over here, you gotta go over here. Yeah, it's not that bad here. I think we gotta go up there though. Like, what the fuck is up there? The track. So we gotta go up there, right?
Y'all wanna hit the track? Look, it's right there.
Go up top.
Go to the track.
I think we're home free now. I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Alright, we're on tracks. We're good.
What? That's the best one to look. That little cart. Truck, fuck that.
I don't feel my fucking feet.
I feel the cold too, but I'm not bitching about it.
Damn, look at that over there. Cars are stuck.
It was just over there.
Yeah, that's a BMW too.
These people over here are in for it because they're gonna walk through the water now next.
Yeah, right. Especially they got low cars, you ain't getting through.
Yeah.
I'm walking the whole height. Yeah, we need a video cam for this. Where's down there? It is? Yeah. The car's barely. There's no way to go if you go that way. We can that way, so from here. Go down the side.
What did we just walk across?
We just walked across some bullshit.
How high up was that?
Probably
20
like
feet, man.
20 feet, yeah.
What was underneath it?
Water.
Yeah, we what? We just
Water.
went one by one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, keep going.
That shit is crazy.
This is like.
Oh shit, yo, we out. We can take the stairs and it's open.
Where are we gonna go?
Down.
Might as well just go that way. Keep going. Fuck it.
Keep
You're
going.
already hit.
Why not?
You're already hit.
Yeah, you see people walking
You go down like there's a slight chance there could be water
See right
somewhere.
near the stairs, you go down from there.
Yeah, fuck it though. Might as well just keep going.
That's probably
Yeah.
That's probably fine.
This shit's crazy.
At the top of A&P.
Taking a trip. Taking a trip.
Imagine you just actually seeing somebody in a car and just say, man, yo, fuck. Where's that baby?
Think we made it. Now arriving at the Newport Path Station. I'm almost there. I'm just getting off the train tracks now. The path tracks.